In this video, I will show you how to find hidden tips on DoorDash. So from your home screen, you can see in here a couple of options, and that's saying new to me. And these are basically often hidden tips because these tips are based on your preferences. So you can just go ahead and click on new to me, and then you will see a lot of results that are basically based on things that you should probably like based on your order history and stuff like that. So you can just go ahead and look through these, but you can also go to something different, and that's sliding a little bit more to the left. And then you will find this section ratings in here. And once you click on the arrow down, you can basically select the rating that you want to filter. So let's say you want only really good things, then you can put it, for example, to over 4.9, and then you click on view results, and then you will have less results, but these are all pretty good, as you can see. So you can also check between these all. And that is basically how you can find hidden tips on DoorDash. It's pretty easy and straightforward. You can just do it from inside of the app. But if you want to find real hidden tips that are not visible even on DoorDash, then you can also go to TripAdvisor, to the website, and then type in DoorDash best restaurants, for example, and then you'll find a lot of hidden tips as well. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.